Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard Ddakji. First, gather your materials. You will need 2 sheets of sturdy paper, like cardstock, each measuring at least 8 by 8 inches. Also, make sure you have a flat, hard surface available for all your folding. This preparation is key to a strong Ddakji. Now, let's prepare your paper. Take 1 sheet and fold it precisely in half lengthwise. It's important to crease this fold very firmly to create a sharp, defined edge. This crisp fold is crucial for the Ddakji structure. Repeat this exact process with your second sheet of paper, ensuring both are folded identically. With both papers folded, it's time to interlock them. Lay 1 folded paper horizontally on your surface. Then, take the second folded paper and place it vertically, sliding it through the center of the horizontal one. Make sure they form a perfect plus sign, with equal lengths extending from the center. This forms the base. For the final steps, fold the top and bottom flaps of the vertical paper over the center square. Next, take the remaining side flaps and carefully tuck them into the pockets created by the previous folds. Press down very firmly on all sides. This tight folding and pressing will create a very hard and durable Ddakji, ready for play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.